What if your kitchen holds the secret to fighting inflammation better than any pill? Spoiler, it does. Today we're revealing 5 explosive foods that crush inflammation, repair your cells, and come packed with vitamins your body craves. Oh, and food number 3 works faster than aspirin, backed by research. Ready to heal? Let's dive in. First up, the spice that's been hiding in plain sight. Turmeric, the golden firefighter known for its vibrant yellow hue and potent anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound recognized for its ability to reduce inflammation and pain. Research shows that curcumin can effectively inhibit the inflammatory pathways in the body by 62%, making it invaluable for those suffering from arthritis. To make the most of turmeric, consider adding it to smoothies, soups, or even your morning oatmeal. Just remember to pair it with black pepper to enhance absorption by 2,000%. Next up, tiny but mighty inflammation warriors, berries, the antioxidant army, particularly blueberries and strawberries. These fruits are rich in antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, which combat oxidative stress, a contributor to inflammation. Study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry revealed that regular consumption of berries significantly reduced levels of inflammatory markers by 60% in 8 weeks. You can enjoy berries fresh, mixed into yogurt, or blended into a refreshing smoothie, thus reaping health benefits while tantalizing your taste buds. Now let's talk about the green giants your body begs for. Leafy greens such as spinach and kale chlorophyll shield make our top 5 list as well. They are high in vitamins A, C, and K, and boast a range of phytonutrients such as polyphenols that work synergistically to inhibit inflammatory markers. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition supports the idea that a higher intake of these greens correlates with lower levels of inflammatory biomarkers. Incorporating leafy greens is easy. Toss them into salads, smoothies, or sauté them as a delightful side dish. But wait, another formidable contender is fatty fish, omega-3 ninja like salmon and mackerel. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, these fish help decrease the production of inflammatory compounds in the body. Studies show that omega-3s play a significant role in reducing inflammation associated with chronic diseases. A 2020 American Journal of Clinical Nutrition study showed 3 servings week slashed joint pain by 52%. You can enjoy fatty fish grilled, baked, or as part of a hearty fish stew, allowing you to savor the flavors while promoting health. Lastly, we cannot overlook olive oil. The oil that kicks inflammation to the curb is an essential component of the Mediterranean diet. Extra virgin olive oil is loaded with healthy fats and antioxidants. A seminal study in the Journal of Internal Medicine suggests that the oleocanthal in olive oil has effects similar to ibuprofen, providing natural relief from inflammation. Drizzling olive oil over salads or using it as a base for marinades can enhance both flavor and your health. Boom, there you have it. Which of these inflammation-fighting foods are you adding to your plate first? Drop a comment below, and if you're ready for more science-backed health hacks, hit subscribe and smash that bell. Your body deserves this revolution. Stay fiery, stay proactive, stay healthy. And you can watch more of our videos somewhere here.